Good morning and welcome to English language class. I hope everyone is in the pink of health and taking care of yourself. You're doing your assignments, watching the videos and obeying your parents. Our today's topic is letter writing. Children, we all love to receive letters from our friends, relatives and acquaintances. Just as we love to receive letters, others also love to receive letters from us. Hence, it is very important to learn to write letters. Letters are one of the most important means of communication between people. Children, letters can be classified into two types. The first type is personal letters, which are also known as friendly or informal letters. These types of letters are written to friends, relatives and acquaintances. The other type of letters are business or official letters. They are known as formal letters. We write them for official purpose. Today I am going to teach you about personal letters, that is friendly or informal letters. Children, why do we write friendly or informal letters? We write friendly or informal letters to express our emotions and feelings. Sometimes we are very happy, so we want to express our joy with our friends and relatives. We write a letter. Sometimes we are very sad and depressed. We want to express our feeling with our friends. We write a letter, isn't it? We also write letters to express our gratitude and regret. Gratitude means thankfulness, when we want to thank someone or somebody for something. We write letters to describe about an event or description. For example, there is an annual sports day in your school. So you want to describe about it to your friend. You write a letter to your friend describing about your annual sports day. These are the various reasons why we write letters, isn't it? Children, today I am going to deal only with the informal letter, that is the personal letter as I have told you, and I am going to explain you the format of this friendly letter on the screen. While I explain you, children, I want everybody to pay attention and concentrate to what I teach. Okay? I am just going to read this out for you, children. As I have also explained you earlier, we write friendly or informal letters to friends, family and acquaintances. Now the next slide. We write friendly, informal or personal letters to express feelings and emotions, to describe an event or incident, to send invitation, to express gratitude or regret, and to stay in touch. Here we have the format of a friendly, informal, personal letter. Just pay attention, children. It's a very important thing, and all these points you need to keep in your mind. The first thing that we write is the letter writer's address. You have to write your address when you're writing a letter to your friend or relative or any acquaintance. It can be in 2 to 3 lines. After writing your address, you need to leave some space, that is, you can leave a blank line, and then comes the date. You write the date, and after writing the date, again you leave a blank line and you write a salutation followed by a comma. What is a salutation? A salutation is a courteous greeting like my dear or dear and so on. After writing the salutation, again you leave a blank line and then comes the body of the letter. It is written in paragraphs, minimum 3 paragraphs, children. The first paragraph is the introduction, the second paragraph is the main content, and the third paragraph is the concluding paragraph that we call the conclusion. After you write the body of the letter, then again you are supposed to leave a blank line. After leaving a blank line, you write the subscription. The subscription is followed by a comma. Subscription means courteous leave taking, like yours faithfully or yours sincerely, yours affectionately and so on. After writing the subscription, Again, you leave a blank line and you put your signature. You write your first name only because it is an informal letter. Now children, you need to keep one thing in mind, that while you write a letter, that is, we're talking about friendly letter here, you need to keep everything in the left. That is, everything is left aligned. This is the way you're going to follow when you're writing a friendly letter. Children, there is another format where we write the address, date, subscription and signature on the right hand side also, but we are going to follow one rule only. At this level, I don't want you to confuse yourself by writing two ways. So I want you to follow only this way. Everything is left aligned. So you need to keep everything on the left hand side. So I hope children this is clear. I hope you have understood the format which I have shown you on the screen, children. So whenever you write a friendly letter, whether you are writing it to your friend or you are writing it to your parent or you are writing it to your relative, you need to keep these 6 points. What are these 6 points? The first point is the address. Then comes the date. After the date comes the salutation, and then comes the main body. I've told you that the main body has minimum of how many paragraphs? 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph comprises of the introduction, the second paragraph is the main content, and the third paragraph is the conclusion. After writing the main body, we have the subscription, and then comes the signature. And you need to keep in mind the space which we need to give, or a blank line which you need to give after a few things which I have explained you just now. Okay children, now I want you children to write this format in your rough notebook. Just copy this from the screen. Is it clear children? I hope everybody is going to do that. And in the next video session, I am going to show you and explain you a few samples of friendly letters, so that you have a very clear picture about friendly letters. And I am also going to show you how to write the address, how to write the date, how to write the main body, what you need to write in the introduction, what you need to write in the conclusion, and what all you need to write in the subscription and salutations. And I'm also going to show you a few examples of salutations and subscription. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice time.